Your Peugeot has a number of configurations that make it entirely modular. The second row of seats, a 60/40 sliding bench seat, has a 15 cm rail, allowing you to slide the bench seat forward to provide maximum storage room in the boot, or backward, to allow for more leg room. The backrests of these seats recline individually to 7 different positions, from an angle of 17 to 29 degrees. To adjust the seat backrest angle, lift the control handle at the bottom of the backrest, or for the middle seat, pull on the strap. These seats can also be folded down, using the same control handles or strap, to form a flat floor. You can adjust the seat cushion angle, or slide it forward completely, thanks to the easy access system, using the control at the top of the backrest. This system also allows optimal access to the row 3 seats. The backrests of the seats on row 3 can be folded individually to form a flat floor. In a 7-seater configuration, the boot is deep enough to accommodate luggage. Its horizontal floor may be lifted and placed in a vertical position, allowing you to use the full available depth, take advantage of extra volume, and transport tall objects. The space beneath the seats on row 3 is also accessible and allows you to stow the load space cover roller. A special drawer, which you can purchase as an accessory, will enable you to take full advantage of this space, for example, to store charging cables. In this 7-seater configuration, the boot volume is 348 litres. With the row 3 seats folded down, in 5-seater configuration, there is a large flat boot space. The load length is 1 metre, and the volume is 916 litres. Finally, with the row 2 seats folded down, in 2-seater configuration, the boot offers a load length of 2 meters and a volume of 2,232 liters.